Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create project template in Asana. So this is actually pretty simple, just follow my steps. First step is to actually create a project, so click on new project or portfolio, then new project. Now select the blank projects so you can start from scratch. Now give your project a name, so let's say new project template. Now press continue and choose what you want to see in your project and click on create project. Now your project template is created. You will have to set it up to be an actual template, so click on it to open it up. Now go to this down arrow and select save as template. Now choose a name of your template and create template. It is really simple. Once you are done with your edits to your template settings, click on continue, continue and finish. And now your template is created. As you can see, new project template, and you can edit it right here or use the template right here. It is really simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.